Hey all, Will Healy here, and I just saw an awesome video on LinkedIn that I'll share the original post down below, but really cool of a robotic end effector. So, you know, a six-axis robot, the end effector is the hand of the robot, and this had multiple grippers and sensors and devices, really intricate for an automotive assembling different components to an automotive windshield. And the videos, the posters showing about the center point of the tool, but what I want to show you, the tool center point, but what I want to show you was in the video, you can actually see really nicely how IO-Link and IO-Link IO devices can be used to solve end effectors and really effectively. And so in the video, you can actually see a sensor hub like this, and this collects sensor inputs here. All the information sends over one cable or 4 conductors of the robot dress pack, and it collects sensor inputs here, and then it also has the ability to daisy chain out to a valve manifold, and you could see that in the video as well, controlling an SMC valve manifold. And so there's tons of pneumatic cylinder switches on the end effector, and those plug into the I/O hub. And then other sensors are there as well as the valve control. And I just thought that was a really neat video. And on end effectors, you know, sensors like the self-contained through beam that we've talked about in other videos are really powerful for end effectors. And so on really intricate tooling on a robot end effector, using solutions like the self-contained through beam, like 2 pneumatic cylinder sensors on one connector for getting position of the grippers and the pneumatic cylinders on the end effector, and then using technologies like IO-Link with the 4 conductor cable going through the dress pack, collecting IO and collecting sensor data, and then also controlling a valve manifold. These are really powerful solutions for doing robotic end effectors, and I just thought this was such a great video, I had to share it with you. So, until next time, ask yourself, what will I automate next?